Good morning, students. You all are fine, right? Yes, very good. Now, today we are going to start the revision. We have this lesson in our essay 1 exam, that is lesson number 3. Two frogs to go round the world. That you know, I am just telling you the story. In short, there are two frogs, right? They both are living in Japan. One is living in Osaka and one is living in Kyoto. Right? They both wanted to go each other's place. That means Osaka frog wants to go Kyoto and Kyoto frog wants to go Osaka. Clear, friends? So at the last, when they see from the top of the hill, they both think that our places are looking same, right? So they both went back their own places. Okay, students, so I am going to start that classwork. Okay, it is a revision. Two frogs go round. See, this is hard words. You all know I always ask missing letters from hard words. See here, Osaka. What is the spelling of Osaka? O-S-A-K-A, Osaka. Kyoto. K-Y-O-T-O, Kyoto. Mountain. See here, if you make a spelling by phonetics, you can make it mountain. Mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Mountain. Frog. That you know. Frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. Okay, students, so these are the hard words. Osaka, Kyoto, mountain and frog. See, what is next? Osaka, Kyoto. See here, fill in the blanks. One frog lived in a place called Kyoto, right? Kyoto, K-Y-O-T-O. The other frog lived in a place called Osaka. Kyoto is more beautiful. See, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful than Osaka. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. See, two frogs met on the top, T-O-P, top of the mountain. Take the correct answer, students. The two frogs climbed the mountain. Climb, that means you go upside. There are 4 options, but you have to take the correct answer, that is climb. Second one, who said goodbye to Kyoto and Osaka frogs? Their friends, their brothers, their mother or their wives? Their wives, yes. Their wives said the frogs goodbye. Right, students? Now it's opposites. Climbed, declined. Beautiful, ugly. Top, bottom. Go, come. See here. Climbed, declined. Climb, that means you go upside, and declined means you go downside. Beautiful, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. ugly. UGLY, ugly. Top, bottom. BOTTOM, bottom. Go, come, arrive. See, you can write one from to both. The opposite of go is come or arrive. You can write one of them. Okay, students? Yes. ARRIVE, arrived. True, false. See. The two frogs lived in Japan. That is absolutely true. The two frogs met at the foot of the mountain. False. See, because they met on the top of the mountain. Right? Kyoto looked just the same as Osaka. True, of course, true. Frogs have eyes near the top of the head. Near? No, it was on the top of the head. That's why it is wrong. Okay? Who said this sentence? I thought that Osaka was more beautiful than Kyoto. Kyoto frog. See. Kyoto frog said, I thought that Kyoto was more beautiful than Osaka. See here again. I thought, first one. I thought that Osaka was more beautiful than Kyoto. The answer is Kyoto frog said that I thought that Osaka was more beautiful than Kyoto. Number 2. I thought that Kyoto was more beautiful than Osaka. I thought that Kyoto was more beautiful than Osaka. Who said this sentence? Osaka frog. Yes. Osaka frog says that Kyoto is more beautiful and Kyoto says Osaka is more beautiful. Getting? Very good, students. Yes. Next one is, there is meanings. See here. Beautiful, pretty. What is the spelling of pretty? PRETTY. Pretty. Quick. Quiet. Not very. Okay? Not very. Climbed. Not to move up towards top of something. See question answers. Question number 1. Here. Why did the Kyoto frog want to go to Osaka? Why did the Kyoto frog want to go to Osaka? Now the answer. Kyoto frog wanted to go to Osaka because you have to write down the reason. That's why I put because he had heard Osaka was more beautiful than Kyoto. Getting, students? What was the question? The question was that why did the Kyoto frog want to go to Osaka? The answer is Kyoto frog wanted to go to Osaka because he had heard Osaka was more beautiful than Kyoto. Osaka was more beautiful than Kyoto. Now question number 2. Why did the Osaka frog want to go to Kyoto? See here. Why did the Osaka frog want to go to Kyoto? See, the answer is Osaka frog wanted to go to Kyoto because he had heard that Kyoto was more beautiful than Osaka. Osaka frog wanted to go to Kyoto because he had heard Kyoto was more beautiful beautiful than Osaka. Getting, students? See here, you do not have homework in English text. Okay, students? But instead of that, you have to learn hard. Some spellings you have to write down and do it. Okay? Question number 3, the last question. Why did they both decide to go to back home? Why did they both decide to go back home? They both decided to go back home because when they looked down from the top of the mountain, the places looked just the same. Frogs did not want to waste their time. See here, students. The question is, why did they both decide to go back home? Why did they both decide to go back home? Now, why? So you have to write down the reason here. They both decided to go back home because when they looked down from the top of the mountain, the places looked just the same. Frogs did not want to waste their time. Frogs did not want to waste their time. That's why they came back their home. Understood, students? It was the revision of lesson number 3. Yes, students. Bye. Be safe at your home. Have a nice day. And please learn hard. Some spellings you have to make, break, like I taught you how to make a spelling. First letter capital, at the end of the sentence full stop. See, students, you all are too clever. You all are too clever. You all are writing very good. But because of capital and full stop, you lose your marks. So please be careful with these things. For today, bye everyone.